Starting around 11 November 2023, Nexo certainly is exchanging at 73 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.29% in for the most part most recent 1 hour in an exceptionally large manner. Nexo especially has a truly all-out market cap of $410,795,726 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,720,299, or so they basically thought. This in a real sense makes Nexo, in every way that really matters, positioning at 104 in the digital money market, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Nexo essentially be by and large worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Nexo a very wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Will Nexo cost generally outperform its untouched kind of high in a by and large huge manner? These in every way that really matters are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, which for the most part is very critical. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Nexo cost by and large is supposed to in every way that really matters cross an especially normal value level of 79 cents, the normal in every way that really matters. Least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to sort of be 75 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Nexo can truly arrive at a kind of greatest value level of 82 cents, which truly is genuinely critical. Nexo value gauge November 2023. The Nexo cost for November 2023 may arrive at an especially least worth of 70 cents, while the by and large most extreme determined cost certainly is around 79 cents, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. The truly normal cost for Nexo for the most part is fundamentally anticipated to truly reach 77 cents in November 2023, showing how Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Nexo cost basically is supposed to cross a by and large normal value level of 79 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the especially current year ought to essentially be 75 cents in an in every practical sense, significant way. Nexo value expectation December 2023. The cost for Nexo in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 75 cents and 82 cents. Exceptionally further appearance how Nexo value expectation December 2023. The cost for Nexo in December 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 75 cents and 82 cents in a sort of significant manner. While the very normal exchanging cost ought to be around 79 cents in a truly significant manner, Nexo genuinely passed value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been especially diminished by 1.57% in its sort of current worth. Showing how this for the most part makes Nexo beautiful positioning at 104 in the digital money market in an all things considered significant way. Assuming that we sort of look at the kind of current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap certainly is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days the Nexo truly was in every practical sense great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.8%, showing how these basically are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unpretentious manner. Nexo generally has shown exceptionally areas of strength for lovely potential recently, and this could be excellent chance to truly dive right in and contribute, which especially is genuinely critical. In any case, after the contrasting the kind of current cost and certainly beyond 30 days cost history, it for the most part is seen that Nexo generally has expanded 1.931% in its worth, showing that notwithstanding, after the looking at the in every practical sense, current cost with recent days cost history, it by and large is seen that Nexo for the most part has expanded 1.931% in its worth. Fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The essentially normal truly least cost for the month really is 68 cents, while in every practical sense, greatest truly normal cost by and large was 72 cents in a genuinely significant manner. This suggests that this coin generally is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for certainly long haul, showing that from absolute most recent 7 days the Nexo in every practical sense was in kind of good vertical pattern and expanded by 7.8% exhibiting how these generally are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo S future, which in every practical sense is very critical. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 12.87%, and the cost especially circled from a most certainly least sort of typical cost of 79 cents to truly greatest especially normal cost of 86 cents in the kind of beyond 90 days, which in every practical sense shows that these by and large are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo S future in an in every practical sense significant way. Nexo explicitly is somewhere near 0.87%, with the genuinely greatest pretty typical cost of the coin explicitly was around 67 cents, and the very least truly normal cost of truly was around 65 cents in exceptionally beyond 4 months, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will especially be Nexo exceptionally worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? The Nexo cost for the most part is estimated to explicitly arrive at a greatest degree of 82 cents, with fundamentally least cost of 75 cents toward the finish of 2023, which truly shows that besides Nexo can really arrive at an extremely greatest value level of 82 cents, or so they in a real sense thought. Does Nexo sort of have a future, or so they essentially thought? As far as value, Nexo by and large has a remarkable truly potential to for the most part arrive at new levels, so Nexo fundamentally passed value examination in the especially beyond 24 hours, the crypto really has been basically diminished by 1.57% in its for the most part current worth, exhibiting how this truly makes Nexo by and large positioning at 104 in the digital money market, which basically is very huge. It's sort of his figure that Nexo will increment in esteem, exhibiting that Nexo pretty past value examination in the for the most part beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been somewhat diminished by 1.57% in its genuinely current worth, showing how this sort of makes Nexo extremely positioning at 104 in the digital money market. Or so they truly thought. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Nexo can sort of stirred things up around town of the greatest cost of $25.65 till 2030, showing how this suggests that this coin sort of is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for genuinely long haul. Exhibiting that from essentially most recent 7 days the Nexo truly was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 7.8%, showing how these sort of are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo S future in an essentially significant manner. Is Nexo kind of worth purchasing in 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Nexo S worth truly is supposed to explicitly keep on extending, as lack will in general by and large empower cost rise, exhibiting how Nexo truly has a complete market cap of $410,795,726, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,720,299 in an especially significant manner. If it's not too much trouble, note, there really is a gamble